How to download YouTube videos to SD card. Welcome to our video. I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos straight to your SD card. The easiest way to do this is with YouTube Premium. First, open the YouTube app, pick the video you want, and tap the download button. Then go into settings, under downloads, and choose SD card as your storage location. From there, all your offline videos will save directly to the card instead of your phone's internal memory. Just keep in mind that these files stay inside the YouTube app. You can watch them offline, but you won't see them in your regular gallery. And that's it. A simple way to free up space on your phone while keeping your videos handy. So don't forget to subscribe for more useful content like this.